The film Bhuj, The Pride of India trailer is packed with an amazing star cast, thrilling action scenes, smashing dialogues, and lots of patriotism. Ajay Devgan looks fearless and dedicated to his country India as squadron leader Vijay Karnik. The ladies of the film Sonakshi and Nora are also seen in action. Everyone in the story has one motive: to protect the motherland whatever it takes. The movie is set during the India vs Pakistan War of 1971. It is about the life of IAF squadron leader Vijay Karnik, the then in charge of the Bhuj airport, who and his team reconstructed the IAF airbase with the help of 300 local women. Ajay Devgan plays the role of Vijay Karnik. Vijay Karnik was commissioned into the Indian Air Force on 26 May 1962. He served as a squadron leader in Bhuj during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971. During the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971, the IAF Airstrip at Bhuj was destroyed in combat. Subsequently, 300 local women, led by IAF squadron leader Vijay Karnik, heroically toiled day in and day out to reconstruct the airbase. This act of resilience was a pivotal moment which not only boosted the morale of the country but also helped India win the war. The trailer seems to be amazing, and actors like Ajay Devgan, Sharat Kelkar and Sanjay Dutt made it more impactful. We wish all the luck for the team.